Finally, a summer vacation again, and this time we went to explore Gran Canaria. There are 8 main Canary Islands and a few smaller islets. Gran Canaria is the third largest and is often referred to as a mini continent because of its incredibly diverse landscapes. The trip took us about 4 hours from Munich airport. If you're traveling from the south of continental Europe, the flight time will be shorter, of course. One thing that stood out to all of us is actually not as hot as you might expect. It gets chilly in the shade, especially when it's windy, so if you're considering going there, keep that in mind and pack accordingly. On Gran Canaria, it's relatively easy to reach any place from the airport because there is like a system of buses. You can pay on bus directly, which is very convenient. The price will depend on your final destination, but generally it will be like around 3, 5, 7 euros per person, like depending on where you're going. We took a bus and reached our hotel in about 40 minutes. It's pretty convenient and much cheaper than a taxi. One thing you should know, always press the stop button on the bus if you want to get off, otherwise it might not stop. Our hotel was right in front of Amadores Beach. Something to keep in mind is that all beaches in Spain and the Canary Islands are public, which means you'll need to rent sunbeds and umbrellas if you want to use them. On Amadores Beach, each piece costs 5 euros, but some beaches are cheaper, for example in Puerto de Mogán. Normally, the best way to explore the islands is by car, of course, because you have all the flexibility. But with Gran Canaria, the thing is, you can actually do a lot of things by bus, by public transport. It might take a bit more time, depending on where you are or where you're going, because buses go like every 30 minutes or every hour or so you'll have to plan in advance. The good thing is, I think you can do like a lot of things and not rely on renting a car. For example, our hotel is situated quite close to the dunes. We are also quite lucky that the Amadores Beach is like right in front of our hotel, so it's like one of the main attractions here on Gran Canaria, and it's absolutely amazing. It's absolutely amazing to swim there and just to look at it, actually. We stayed at the Gloria Palace Royal Hotel and we're really happy with our choice, to be honest. The location is fantastic, just a short walk to the beach, which is super important. We actually saw other hotels built high up on the hills with no visible elevators or stairs down to the beach. So if you're planning a trip and want to explore easily, definitely check the location in advance. Also, the marine life around the island is definitely worth mentioning. Be sure to pack a snorkeling mask because you can spot fish even while swimming at public beaches. The water is always a bit cool, so keep that in mind too. If you are up for more marine adventures, there are plenty of boat trips available where you can go out into the ocean and see dolphins and whales. We booked one of those and we'll share that adventure later on the channel. There is also this absolutely amazing promenade that starts near Amadores Beach. It offers stunning views over the ocean and is a perfect spot for sunset photos. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog from Gran Canaria. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.